In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add text box in draw.io. In order to do that, go over to drawio.com, then describe right here your diagram and click on the start. It has no login or registration required because it uses OpenAI and you can just access it as you want. Now here is my diagram. Now in order to add a text message or a text box right here, what we can do is we can just click onto this search and you can find in here specific spaces as well as specific diagrams like general tabs right here. And in there we can see that we have this text. So click onto this text. As you can see, we have now this text box. You can proceed to make it large. You can resize or remove it however you want. So for example, let's input right here a text. You can just double click it and then proceed to edit it. For example, let's input right here subscribe now. Now on this, since it's just plain, let's add right here as well a rectangle and it will be like that. You can change out the layer for this, just right click and then set it to the back. And then for this, you can proceed to change its color for that as well, however you wish that to be. And as you can see, we have now this. So you should just proceed to edit and decide it however you want. You can also add heading, which is a text box with heading and another paragraph into this case. Just proceed to edit right here the things, double click, edit, and you can also change the font style as well as the format, the font size, the font colors, and the likes. So you can also insert links, images, lines, as well as tables through this way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.